Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get KJ in a public server. To begin, focus on completing your daily quests and challenges. These often provide a consistent, small stream of KJ, perhaps 5 to 10 units per day. Also, keep an eye out for any introductory tasks designed for new players. They frequently offer a one-time bonus of 25 KJ. Engaging in server-wide events can also yield significant rewards, sometimes up to 50 KJ, for participation. Once you've covered the basics, consider more advanced methods. Trading with other players is a great way to convert surplus items into KJ. A rare item might fetch 100 KJ. Many servers host minigames or competitions, where winning can net you anywhere from 30 to 75 KJ. Don't forget to explore every corner of the server. Hidden areas often contain secret objectives that reward a substantial 50 KJ upon discovery. To truly maximize your KJ earnings, consider joining a guild or team. Group activities often provide exclusive bonuses, potentially adding 20 to 40 KJ per event. Investing in server upgrades or personal perks can also significantly boost your passive KJ generation, perhaps by 10%. Remember to log in daily. Many servers offer a daily login bonus, which can accumulate to over 100 KJ in a week. Finally, a few important tips for your KJ journey. Always verify the legitimacy of any trading partners to protect your valuable resources. Understanding the server's economy is crucial. Knowing when to buy or sell can save you many KJ. Prioritize activities that you genuinely enjoy and that fit your playstyle, as consistent engagement will naturally lead to more KJ over time. Enjoy your time on the server.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.